I do like the gray better than the green one as far as aesthetics. I do like that chunky thick knife too. Centered. Looks like bronze washers. Tip up. Lanyard hole. Right side only. Not deep carry. Frame lock. Finger choil. No jimping on the blade or spine. or no jimping on the blade or frame. Looks like some of the that paint rubbed off, got chipped. Good lockup, great lockup on the frame lock. I lost my train of thought now. Huh. 7CR 17 MOV, so I'll be definitely using this in the cut test, the EDC test. The cosmetics are not an issue, for me at least, because I plan on using the knife. I use all my knives, so, and there's a good chance I'll be dropping this and banging it around. Looks like, like an aluminum scale. So there you go. That is the Gerber kettlebell in gray. Looks like a very stabby, pointy knife.